Jiri Development Organization organized a candlelight vigil in commemoration of the 12 Meitei civilians, including children and women, who were killed by the Kuki armed persons during the peak of the ongoing crisis in the state. The event was held at Ningshingkul, where the deceased civilians were cremated. During the event, attendees light up candles as a mark of showing respect and solidarity to the deceased persons. Speaking to reporters in this regard, JDO advisor El Romain highlighted the significance of the event, stating that it marks the remembrance and tribute paying to the deceased persons who were brutally murdered by the Kuki armed persons. He further demanded justice for the incident, announcing that a memorial site will be constructed at the site where the 12 individuals were laid final rest. Romain sought cooperation from general public in this regard. It may be mentioned that 12 Meitei civilians, including 3 children, were mercilessly murdered in separate incidents during the peak of the ongoing crisis.
2024 की नवंबर की तांग 13 दा लेम लाइबक थिबा थौदोक अमा हाइताय जिरिबाम की जाकुरादोर दा मियोय अनि मितुमकदा खुलाई पाइबा लालौबु सिंगना लान तारागा हातखिबा अदुगा मफम अदुदगी अंगांग यावना मियोय तरुक फादना पुखरगा मथंग मथंग होगी बराक तुरेना थादरखिबा लेखिदबा मकोय हातखिबा नुमित अदु निंगसंबा ngamdragasu मकोयना लान तारखिबा नुमित अदु कोयना लौजरकांदा नवंबर की तांग 13 असि मकोय लेखिदबा नुमितनी हाइबा अदु अखोयना लौजरगा ngasiगी नुमित असि जिरिबामदा मकोय लेखिदबगी कुमोना अखोयना खंजरगा मकोयबु लेरोन चनखिबा मफम जिरिबामगी निंगसिंगुंदा लेबा असिगुम मफम असिदा ngasi असि मकोयगी लेखिदबा नुमितकी मरि लेना मैरा अमतंग कचरकांदा मकोयगी मफमदा इकाय खुमनबु उत्पा अमदी मकोयना इमा लेबा किदम थवाय कत्खिबदु निंगसिंगजरकांदा खोय ngasiगी नुमित असि जब तौजबने हाइबो हमजी थमजगे